A business is a place where products or services are sold to people to get more money. The goal of a business is to help people make their lives easier in return for more money or profit.
Nice one, Lisa. Now let's take a lemonade business example. Nadeem is thinking of making more money by opening a lemonade stand and selling lemonade to people. These people who buy the products or services in business terms is called customers. Nadeem produces 2 lemonade each costing $1, so the total cost is $2. However, Nadeem decides to sell each lemonade for $4. 2 customers comes in and asks for 2 lemonades, in return giving $8. This means that Nadeem's lemonade stand got $6 in profit after covering cost. Nadeem decides to put the $6 of profit to the business. He can use the money to make more lemonades, make the stall prettier to attract more, or start making lovely cookies.
Thanks, Henry. Business, in other words, is just helping people by selling something they want. And they get a reward for it.
Thanks for watching and see you next time.